cute but tiny. It holds one of my insulin pens, and if I put it sideways, it will hold one bottle of Diet Dr. Pepper. I do think that if I had cans, I could probably get 4 in there if I put some upwards and some sideways. But this is mostly just good for, you know, meds you need close by, makeup. I would not, unless you're literally carrying your lunch with you, I wouldn't travel with it. Yeah, it's good for small things. It has its purpose. It's not expensive. It's cute. Works well. No problems.
This is the Crown refrigerator just sent today. Well, I guess it's been sent, but it made it. It arrived here today. The shelves come in and out. You can put them in or take them out. I'll be pulling them out. At least until where the water can fit. Because it can fit a 16-ounce bottle of water now. But I don't know if it's going to... Oh, yeah. So I can keep one shelf in because this bottle of water can go inside now.
So it is super lightweight, just plugs right into the wall, into the outlet. It opens super easy. It does have a shelf, so you can stack it. It's got really good size. I can fit 4 bottles inside. There's a little compartment on the door, but it is so nice, and it is cool enough to keep your milk safe overnight for you to go put it in your fridge in the morning. But this has been a game changer for me. Okay. It's not going as planned to read. She cute. I think I have enough juice for the day too.
This Crown mini fridge is so amazing. I love that it keeps really cold and different types of settings. This fits so much and it has a shelf that I can take out. Love this product.